Hello, friends and viewers. Uh, this is Borambang, and I'm going live this evenings to have an honest and important conversation about use and the power of mindset change. This message is for all young people who want to make a difference in their homes, communities, and the future of South Sudan. I will be asking some key questions and explore them together so that we can understand our responsibilities and change our mindset for the better. First, let me just say, do we believe or do you believe your voice matters as a young person? Many youth feel like their voice are ignored or too small to matter. But let me tell you, brother and sister, your voice is powerful. Even small actions, words, or ideas can inspire change. If we speak up, participate, and share ideas respectfully, we can start building a community where youth matter. So, if one may ask himself, or if ask yourself, how are you ready to use your voice to make a difference? Or are you afraid of getting involved in politics or community decision? Some youth think politics is dangerous or that they will gain nothing. But politics is not just about power or money or whatever. It is about shaping your future. You do not need violence to make an impact. You can participate by learning, advising, mediating, and helping your community. That is leadership. Do not let fear hold you back, brother or sister. So, are we thinking beyond tribal division? Yes. Too often we hear Nuer bas Dinka or Nuer bas Murle or Dinka bas Shuluk or Nuer bas Shuluk or other tribal conflicts all across South Sudan. But the youth of South Sudan must think differently. Unity should be our mindset. So we must learn to treat everyone as fellow South Sudanese past, regardless of tribe. If we lead with unity instead of separation, we can stop division before they start. If I may ask, are we contributing to peace or conflict? Like, if we take this in the context of our country, how are we contributing to peace or conflict? Some youth are involved in pies, revenge, or destructive acts, which only harms communities. And we very well know that true change comes from peaceful action through dialogue, mediation, community service, or awareness campaign. So ask yourself, am I helping my community or am I making problem worse? Brother, be the youth who solve problem, not ones who create them. So, are we using education and skill to lead change? Of course not. But when are we going? When are we going to use education and skill to lead change? If you have ideas, share them. If you can teach a skill, teach it. If you can organize people for good, then lead them. A very positive actions counts, brother. The future belongs to those who prepare for it. If you sleep too much, you'll get some views. You'll get some views of going far distant. So once again, if I may ask, how are we building a culture of responsibility and integrity? Of course not. But when are we going to do that? So let us change our mindset. You know, change comes from action, not just words. Let us be honest and consistent in everything we do at home, school, community, or wherever. It truly reflects the community that you are not just an ordinary youth, but are someone who truly has positive impact to that specific group. Stand against laziness, corruption, and selfishness. Your example can inspire others to do the right thing. Like, seriously. Your example can inspire others to do the right thing. If we continue with this mindset of division, then are we ready to inspire the next generation? Obviously no. And when are we going to learn that the next generation to come after us will resume the journey after what we are built? So every action we take today in training the youth who comes after us, will they see leadership, peace, and responsibility, or apathy and division? Lead by example. Challenge Ample's habit. Teach others the value of unity, peace, and critical thinking. So to my friends, brother and sister, the future of South Sudan depends on us, the youth. Let me tell you. So mindset change starts with thinking differently, acting responsibly, and inspiring others. Let us take action in our homes, at our school, and in our communities. Let us be a voice for unity, a hand for peace, and a role models for integrity. Because we very well know that together we can build a peaceful, united, and stronger South Sudan. Why are we so blind, brothers and sisters? My country's youth, why are we so blind? When are we going to stand up? When are we going to show to our fathers that we have acquired the knowledge that is needed very much in our country if we don't want to stand up right now? If we don't want to stand up right now, then when are we going to show to our elders that we have acquired what the world needed the most? So it is up to us to rescue our country. We are very much needed to participate in the current crisis of our country. Our senior politicians in Sweden, those working in the government, have completely lost visions. They don't see as far as we do. Like seriously, they don't see as far as we can. Because their mindset is to secure an assignment and use that institutional resources to build his home, his family, and then lives their life in luxury while style. So, and these resources our senior politicians are misusing is what can build, is what can build schools, community clinics or health facilities, road, and other developmental factors. But if we remain silent, who is going to tell them that you elders in Sweden, you are misusing our resources, you are burying our future? Let's come to our sense, fellow brothers and sisters. Now is the time to stand up, to hold up our hands, to tell our elders that we are ready to apply what we have got at school. We cannot just be silent. You very well know that silent means yes. If we keep silent, then they will enjoy us. Elders will enjoy us. They will enjoy our absence in politics. I'm not telling you to join politics. Like, I'm not telling us to join politics. But I'm clearly saying, let us contribute what we have, what we know. Let us correct them if they miss. Let us direct them if they lost. And more importantly, let us challenge them if they don't even know what to do. These are our responsibilities. And it is our duty as youth to direct them if they lost. So this message is meant for South Sudanese youth who thought their ideas are ignored. You know, our ideas are very effective. And now is the right time to apply them. So what are we waiting for? Like seriously, what are we waiting for? Now is the time. So although I have talked too much, so I decided to come live to share with you this message. And I thank all those who are going to watch this video. And I thank you, my followers and viewers. Please share this video so that it reaches everybody. You may thought that it is not worthy much, but it is worthy. Let us change our mindset, fellow brothers and sisters. So this message is for you. This message is for us as the youth of South Sudan, and let us put it into action. Let us change our mindset. Let us help our elders in politics. Let us direct them if they miss. Let us show them the way if they lost. And let us not fear to confront them. Confronting someone doesn't mean physical fighting. Let us confront them with what? Let us challenge them with ideas. Our ideas are very active if we avoid this fear. So thank you for joining this afternoons with me, and remember the change starts with you and me, brothers and sisters. Thank you. Share this video so that it reaches everybody, and let us make sure we are the generation to change our country. Thank you so much, follow South Sudanese. Thank you. Before I end up this live video, as I said earlier, I am your brother, Borambang. I'm sharing this message with you in South Sudan, Jonglei State, in the county of Nirol, in Lankan headquarters. See you then. Share it, please. Share it, please.